Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of class 7, subject chemistry, chapter 7, air and atmosphere. Students, in the previous video, we have started the fourth key concept, that is various components of air. In this key concept, we have seen what are the different components of air. We have also started the first component, that is oxygen. In this topic, we have seen how oxygen was discovered. Today we will continue with the component oxygen. Today we will discuss the properties of oxygen, physical properties as well as chemical properties. Let us start with physical properties. First, nature. What kind of nature oxygen has? Oxygen is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. That means oxygen has no color, no odor and no taste. It is a colorless, odorless means it has no smell, tasteless gas. Second point, density. What is the density of oxygen? It is slightly heavier than air. Then solubility. It is slightly soluble in water. It is not much soluble in water, very little soluble in water. Liquefaction. It can be liquefied. Oxygen gas can be liquefied, can be changed into liquid, blue colored liquid at minus 183 degrees Celsius by applying high pressure. So by applying high pressure at very cold temperature, that is minus 183 degrees Celsius, oxygen gas can be liquefied. Oxygen gas can be changed into liquid. Now let us come to the chemical properties. First point, neutral in nature. What is the nature of oxygen? It is neither acidic nor basic. So it is neutral. Combustibility. What is combustibility of oxygen? That means how it supports combustion or not. Oxygen does not burn. It does not combust, but it helps in burning. It helps in burning. It supports burning. Then what is the reactivity? Oxygen reacts with metals and non-metals to form oxides. Oxygen reacts with metals and non-metals to form different oxides. The formation of oxides is called oxidation. The process of formation of oxides is called oxidation. There are three types of oxidation: spontaneous oxidation, rapid oxidation and slow oxidation. Let us discuss about them one by one. First of all, spontaneous oxidation. One example is sodium. When sodium reacts with oxygen, it is a spontaneous reaction because it takes place within seconds. Within fraction of seconds, it is very reactive, and that's why it is spontaneous oxidation. That means it does not take much time for reaction. That's why it is called spontaneous reaction. What is the result? What is the oxide formed? Here sodium oxide is formed. Second point is rapid oxidation. One example, methane reacts with oxygen. When methane reacts with oxygen, it is a very fast reaction, fast oxidation, and the resultants are carbon dioxide and water. It is very fast reaction but not faster than spontaneous oxidation. And third type of oxidation is slow oxidation. Iron, one example, iron plus oxygen. When iron reacts with oxygen, it forms iron oxide. Iron oxide is formed. It is a slow oxidation because it takes much time for this reaction to take place. Fourth point is reaction of nonmetals with oxygen. How does oxygen react with nonmetals? Nonmetals like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus burn in oxygen to produce their respective oxides, which are acidic in nature. That means when oxygen reacts with nonmetals, they form oxides, but they are acidic in nature. What is the nature of the oxides of nonmetals? It is acidic. And the fifth chemical property of oxygen is respiration. Students, you already know this respiration because you have learnt in biology also, in your previous class also. What is respiration? When oxygen reacts with digested food to form carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy. Oxygen reacts with digested food to form carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy. This process is called respiration. So these are the chemical properties of oxygen. Students, I am giving you one assignment. What are the three types of oxidation? Give one example of each. And students, you also read the chapter up to where I have taught. Thank you.